55 to 60 is take home.
Yeah. What are these improvements? Because I understand some improvements are necessary when you move in a house, if it's like mold or something major. But you said happy and comfortable, Joseph. Tell me about these improvements. Are these optional, Joseph? Be honest with me.
Yeah, some are needed. Tubs, faucets leaking, stuff like that, need bathroom remodels. Some are, we'd like to updated fixtures in the kitchen and stuff. So we know that some is absolutely like, yep, we need to do it, and some is like,
you just totally ate that light. No fucks given.
We'll get there eventually.
Video protected.
Yeah, like remodeling the bathroom.
All we have to do is wait a few more seconds.
Putting on doors, putting the floors in, picking up the moldy carpet, stuff like that.
Have y'all calculated the amount of things that are like really necessary, like moldy carpet, and then kind of itemized, like two separate lists, like things we must do now to live here, and things that would be nice to do later when we have the cash?
Yeah, I would say it's about 10